So after you practice the phonograms, I'm going to be talking about number 2 right here, and it says submit notebook pages on assessment using pages 34 through 38. Here's what they look like in my notebook. On page 34, I put this on there and folded it over and just put a title on the top called Screening Results. On page 35, I wrote as a title, How to Use the Data, and that's where that paper gets glued into that we worked on in class. On page 36, this is where I glued the student's assessment for Words Their Way, a screener and a diagnostic tool that works for spelling and reading. On page 37 is where I put the chart to record the errors and to look at the data. And then as a review, kind of like an exit ticket, what are the purposes and some examples of the different types of assessments? There's 5 of them. Even though we read about 4, we talked about one other one in class.